Mara has had an incredible run today as it has pushed up from lows of $18 to highs of $20.45 for a 12% profit. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here with the Learn to Earn team and the Investing for Beginners community. We are up. We are up some money today. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. We did showcase it in our live day trading session this morning, our entries and exits. So if you want to check that out, again, it's 100% free. Click the link, second link in the description, and you can join our Discord community and watch all of our past live streams there. All right, so guys, let's get into Mara. Why did it push up so much? Why is it so aggressive? And how can you benefit from this move moving forward? So, ticker symbol MARA is known as Mara. That's what we call it here on the channel. But it's actually Marathon Holding Company. And basically, what this is a digital currency holding company. It holds Bitcoin primarily. So if you've ever heard of Bitcoin, then you would know exactly what that is and know that this is a company that holds those Bitcoin pieces. Not only that, it actually mines it. It is one of the largest mining companies. They have an extremely high hash rate, one of the best hash rates per second right now in the market compared to all the digital currency miners. And so, with that said, it's also one of the largest holding companies that does mine. Pushing up though, Bitcoin has pushed up to $92,800. Recently pushed up to 93,000, retested this as a support and could not hold that support. So this will continue to stay as a resistance for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin keeps its pace, then it will actually get up to previous highs of 93,500 fairly soon, before maybe incurring some type of a pullback. Now remember, Bitcoin is at an all-time high, which means this can have a significant pullback if it decides to sell off. Okay, we were trading within the $75,000 range for quite some time before pushing up to those $80,000 and $90,000 ranges. Now, what does this mean for Mara, Bitcoin, Riot, BITO, HUT, MSTR, BTCT, Hood even? Well, if Bitcoin does begin to sell off, all of these companies and the altcoins like Solana, Cardona, Dogecoin, and all the other Shiba all the tokens that are within this crypto space will also begin to sell off. And it could be very drastic. If Bitcoin even goes down 10%, okay, we're talking like maybe, 10 or 20% here, even 18% back to 75, right there, 20%, 75,000. Then, altcoins can go down 40, 50%, 80%. So be very careful, okay, with this next push. Now, if this is starting to become a bull run, then we can start seeing newer highs, obviously, and then we'd be able to determine, okay, maybe we're going to be headed to $100,000. And if we're headed to $100,000, then you're definitely not going to miss out on that ride and on that boat. So, very important to stay tuned for that. Now, Mara, going back to Mara, MARA, we can see that it has pushed up significantly from previous support of around $18. Now, for a day, over the weekend, basically, actually, no, this was not. This was over yesterday. So from Monday to Tuesday, it held support very strong at $18, pushed up to 2042, almost $20.50 before finding a bit of resistance right here. And that's showing as resistance due to the fact that there was some previous support on that Friday, Thursday, and Friday of last week. So it's very nice to see this making newer highs, and higher lows. It went up 12%, but that doesn't mean that it's going to stop there. If Bitcoin decides to either maintain where it's at 92,000, above 90,000, then Mara, or MARA, can technically go back up to 26,000. because we're showing that it's still very strong at 90,000. Now, if Bitcoin begins to sell off, then Mara could actually sell off more, go down back to 18 or even those $16 and $15 levels that were previously down in this range. Okay, so today we took a nice little trade. You can check it out in the Learn to Earn morning live day trading session. That's where I go live with the team every single morning, Monday through Friday at market open. We go live with them for about 30 minutes to an hour, and we catch plays like this, very significant. 12% on Mara, and then we also traded, was it Lunar? LUNR. It went from 1140 all the way up to 1366 for a 20% profit. So we catch plays like this all the time. Very nice plays in our live day trading sessions. Now the overall market as of right now is, let's take a look here. It is bullish. It is holding above 500. Previous support, showing that it's trending up, okay? But can still get back to those overbought levels to 516 very easily in a matter of a week or so, and then begin to consolidate over the all-time highs again before either having some type of a sell-off or possibly a new high, which means that Mara and Bitcoin could technically push up as well. Now, Mara is tracking a trend line right now very nicely, holding that trend line up. As you can see, it tested this resistance at 1925. 1 second. And pushed up to 1920, came back down, could not hold, then went back up, and as soon as it broke 1920, pushed all the way up to 2040, coming back down, retesting that moving average and maintaining that trend line that you see that we drew here. Then pushing above 2040, that was its resistance, wasn't able to hold, came down, pushed up, and now we're going to see if this holds as support. If this can hold as support, then we can continue this trend line up, or we will begin to see it sell off a little bit more. So overall market looking very nice, looking bullish, looking like it wants to maybe start consolidating at this level, potentially pushing back up to highs, as well as crypto itself going from basically some lows today, this morning, from 88,000 to now 93,000. So hope you guys enjoyed. Tune into the live stream. Thank you for your time, and we will see you all in the next video.